Imagine a house with a never-ending construction, stairs that goes to nowhere, and the designs were based on the owner's dreams. Sounds like a movie, right? Well, this house actually exists and is the Winchester Mystery House. The Winchester Mystery House is not just a mansion, it's an architectural enigma. Its winding staircase and doors to nowhere have amazed visitors for generations. But the story behind this house is even more captivating. Let's give you a little bit of background so you understand where this house comes from. So, Sarah Winchester, which was the person who built this house, or let's say designed this house, was the wife of William Winchester, which he was in charge of the armed company that sold the rifle. So her family, including his husband, Sarah's husband, William, started to die suddenly. She started to believe that they started to die because those lost souls that they were killed by the rifle were chasing them. So in order to keep them away from her family, from her life and everything, she started to build this house to make all these lost soul spirits lost. So in the end, the house is actually a labyrinth to confuse the spirits. So the staircase that goes to nowhere are to make them leave. So also there's some people that says, or there's some belief or stories that says that she constructed the house based on dreams, and she said that those were the lost souls that show her the space that they wanted. Leaving behind the spiritual part and all this about spirit, which because we are not focusing on that part, let's just focus on the thing that this house was in construction during 32 years with not stop. So when she died, the construction stopped. But can you imagine that? Like, for me, when I think of a house, like you do the blueprint first and then you construct it. But I can imagine a house that keeps on construction and you're just adding rooms, rooms or staircase or spaces. And also, for me, it's mind-blowing. How can you keep on that? So nowadays, the house is still a labyrinth, and it's, of course, a historical monument. The house is located in San Jose, California. Originally, when Sarah Winchester bought this house, it was an 8-room farmhouse. And with construction from 1886 to 1922, it grew into the world's most unusual and sprawling mansion. Today, this historical house is composed by 24,000 square feet, 10,000 windows, 2,000 doors, 160 rooms, 52 skylights, 47 stairways and fireplaces, 17 chimneys, 13 bathrooms, and 6 kitchens. The Winchester Mystery House is not only known for its mysteries and size, it is also a truly example of Queen and Victorian style architecture, where you can find inside many beautiful and extraordinary details of this style. The Winchester Mystery House is not only a historical treasure, but also a place of fascination for architects and enthusiasts. Its eccentric design continues to inspire discussion about the relationship between architecture and the human physique. I'm always amazed of how our cultural beliefs or spiritual beliefs can lead to incredible things. In this case, it's something so different because it's based on a personal experience that she had and a really deep belief, and that she wanted to solve a problem of something that it's out of this world. So if you're curious about mystery buildings, this one definitely needs to go on your bucket list, and you of course need to visit it. So this video has come to an end. So if you are liking and you want to continue with this journey through incredible out of this world building, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to receive the notification to be the first one to see the next discovery. Thank you so much for being here. Stay close and stay creative as well. Bye bye.